What's up, diecast car lovers? This is the Daily Dose. Welcome back again to another video here. So in today's video, we will take a look at some interesting cars from Hot Wheels, Majorette, and of course Matchbox, one of my favorite brands out there. But before we proceed, please leave a like or smash that like button and also subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll start off first now with this really beautiful new 2019 Kia Stinger GT from Hot Wheels. Take a look at that. A beautiful casting. Really simple here, yeah, because it is a part of the Factory Fresh series. And of course, all cars in the Factory Fresh series have that street look to it, and they do have tampos on the right places, like the headlights and the tail lights. So front and back tampos. Really beautiful Kia Stinger GT here. I am really happy to see this one in the Hot Wheels lineup. And then we also got this yellow 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata here. Beautiful color on the Miata. And this will be part of the Hot Wheels Roadster series. So this right here is another must-have for collectors out there, especially for mainline collectors, as this is a really beautiful casting. So another color variant here of the Miata. And then take a look at this one from T Hunted. Check this one out. A drag bus, not just an ordinary drag bus here. This is now part of the Hot Wheels Monster Truck series. So far this year, Hot Wheels has done a fabulous job with their monster truck lineup. I'm really happy with that Dodge Charger that they've got, and also that Bigfoot, of course. And this one here, the drag bus, really looks magnificent. So another must-have here for collectors. And then from Matchbox here, check this one out. This is uploaded by Collector's Passion. This is the new Audi R8, and this is a beautiful car here, beautiful casting from Matchbox. So I love how simple it is, yet how beautifully it is done. As you can see here, front tampos, headlights, get a plate number also, and also tampos at the back. You can see the Audi R8 logo right there, Audi R8 and the plate number, and also the tail lights. So beautiful car, beautiful wheels, beautiful paint job, beautiful overall. And next up here, check this one out. Another look at this amazing 5-pack here from Majorette. So this is again the vintage rusty gift pack. So I have featured this one a few times already in our channel because I can't get enough of this one, especially that black Toyota Celica. It is just a beautiful car. Then also that Renault Turbo, and you got the rusty VW Beetle also. And don't forget that VW Combi bus also looks beautiful, and of course that Ford Mustang. All cars here have that rust effect on it. So again, here are the cars. We got the Ford Mustang Fastback, VW Beetle, Toyota Celica GT Coupe in black, Renault Turbo, and the VW Combi. So yeah, beautiful cars here, no waste whatsoever. And here's another look at that VW Beetle from the rusty gift pack. So you can see here it has amazing details and opening parts too. So I think this also has suspension. So the wheels here, or the rims, is the same with the previous VW Beetles. And as you can see here, although the tempo is not that highly detailed, because you can actually see the like pixelized effect on that rusty details here, rusty effects on the car. But yeah, I can't complain that much because it is a fabulous car and it is priced just right. So beautiful car here from Majorette. I'm a big fan of the VW Beetle lineup. Then next up, here's another brand new release from Majorette. This is their version of the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. So it features suspension. We've got an opening tailgate too. So the headlight is also clear plastic insert, which is a beautiful thing. So the opening part again is the opening tailgate, and not really a fan of the wheels though, but yeah, that's the standard Majorette rims right there in some of their cars. Really can't complain so much though. Just have to appreciate what they're doing right now with these beautiful cars here. So here's another look at the opening tailgate. So you can see the mechanism. It's pretty solid as it is. So beautiful details here. It has side mirrors also. So I also love the fact that they have made the windows clear here, so you can see the interiors really well. And here it is, beside another amazing Majorette release, the Mercedes-Benz Maybach G650, another beautiful release here from Majorette. So opening hood on this one, you can actually see some details on the engine. And let's also check some more beautiful cars here from Majorette. So some more new cars here for their City Rocker series. We've got a really cool VW bus here. They call this the VW Bully. And wow, look at that. Look at that VW bus. So it has that Golf colors in it, but it is not a Golf theme bus here. But I love this one. It is an amazing monster truck. Wow, look at that. I just wish the bumpers were metal, but it is plastic. And then next, check this one out. This is a VW Beetle Taxi monster truck. Woo! Imagine if this was real. Look at that. Would you ride this one? Wow, look at that. So the VW cars from Majorette really looks good, and especially this monster truck VW Beetle Taxi right here. And then last but not least, I think this is the most beautiful amongst the three here. This is the Jeep police car right there. Wow, look at that. Amazing monster truck right there. Wow, so all these beautiful cars are kind of make me miss hunting more. So I wish we could go out right now. And then next up, check this one out. Another color variant of the Toyota Corolla Altis here. Another one from Majorette. This is quite a popular casting here in the Philippines because the Toyota Corolla is really a popular car here. However, this one is quite understandably a popular die-cast car because look at the details. It is just a beautiful car. Love the headlights and the front details. And then some more new cars here from Majorette. Check this one out. This is the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT with that AMG Driving Academy livery. So you can see here it has red interiors, which by the way is quite rare or unique for the Majorette brand. So that's some fun facts right there. And I love also the paint job on this one. It is not a glossy black. It's like a matte black finish to it. And then check out these new retro cars here from Matchbox. So this right here, in my opinion, is one of the best release from Matchbox for this year. Also the car really looks beautiful. It has that vintage design to it, and it's just awesome. So let's take a look at the first car here. This is the 1968 Ford Mustang GTCS. Ooh, love the colors, and the details on this one is just fabulous. Then the next one is also a beautiful car, really popular casting also. This is the Land Rover 90 right here. Park Ranger Land Rover 90. Another beautiful release here. Really excited about this one. And then the next one, check this one out. This is the 1989 Chevy Blazer 4x4. Ooh, another beautiful car. Love that purple paint job, and also the details is just fabulous. And the next one, one of my favorite in the set, this is the Jeep 4x4, the Cool Mud Jeep, really popular here. I think this is the third color variant in recent releases for this casting. And then we've got one of my favorite here, probably my favorite in this series, the Matchbox Mercedes-Benz S123 station wagon. So I had, or should I say, I have a lot of the Matchbox W123 station wagon, which was released last year, or I think early this year, if you remember that one. And then next up, we've got this 1966 Lamborghini Miura P400. Another gorgeous casting here, beautifully done from Matchbox. So that is all for today's diecast news and update. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please smash that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you guys won't miss my new upload. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye, peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye, guys.